Intrusion Detection and Prevention. Intrusion detection and intrusion prevention are two separate but essential concepts. An intrusion is a violation of security policy. Intrusion detection is the process of monitoring the events occurring in a computer system or network. Intrusion Detection System, IDS, is software that automates the intrusion detection process. Intrusion Prevention System, IPS, is software that has all the capabilities of an intrusion detection system and can also attempt to stop possible incidents. Intrusion detection and prevention types are: network-based intrusion detection, host-based intrusion detection, wireless intrusion detection. Network-based intrusion detection monitors network traffic and identifies suspicious activity. Host-based intrusion detection monitors single host for suspicious activity. Wireless intrusion detection monitors wireless network traffic and identifies suspicious activity. NIST Special Publication, 800-94 Guide to Intrusion Detection and Prevention Systems, IDPS. External threats are attempts to gain access from outside the company's network. To address external threats, intrusion detection and prevention identify and report suspicious activity. To address internal threats, intrusion detection and prevention must deter authorized users from violating internal policies. Create separate accounts for administrators of the intrusion detection and prevention, and give each user the minimum permissions necessary to perform their duties. Harden and secure the components that make up intrusion detection and prevention. Use firewall and router to restrict traffic to intrusion detection and prevention. Intrusion detection and prevention can help mitigate the insider threat by watching the watchers. Use dynamic reconfiguration, such as adding a rule to block or redirect a specific IP address that is attacking the network at that moment. In cloud-based environments, an intrusion detection and prevention may be complicated because of the separate ownership of data, cloud customer, and hardware, cloud provider.